You know those dishes that explode with flavor with every bite? Well, today's recipe is definitely one of them. Howard shows us how to make Southwestern pork chops in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
As you know, we love chatting with you on Facebook and reading your comments on our website. So when we noticed that several of you have asked us to make more skillet main dish dinners, we got right on it. Today, I'm introducing you to our newest skillet dinner with a Southwestern flair, and it comes together in no time. We start by pounding a few boneless pork chops between some plastic wrap until they're thin. Now, we season them with salt and pepper and dip them in some milk and then into some seasoned breadcrumbs. Just make sure you pat the breading on really well so it sticks while it cooks. Then we cook these in batches in some vegetable oil. Once they're all cooked, in the same skillet, we saute some garlic and onion until they're tender. To that, we add some corn, accented with some red pepper, and a bit of cilantro, if you'd like. Once this is hot, we place the cutlets back in the skillet and top the whole thing with a Mexican cheese blend before finishing it off with a squeeze of lime. Talk about flavorful. And since we cook the whole thing in one skillet, cleanup is a breeze. To get the recipe for what we call our Southwestern pork chops, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen with Kelly, where today we found an easy skillet way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.